near whiteout conditions. A winter storm warning is issued when severe winter weather is expected. Heavy snow and slash or ice will cause hazardous driving conditions. If you will be traveling in the warning area, you should choose an alternate route if possible, or you should use extreme caution if travel is unavoidable. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. A wind chill advisory is issued when strong wind will combine with cold temperatures to create dangerously cold conditions for exposed skin. The wind will make it feel like it is 10 degrees below zero or colder for a period of several hours. If you will be outdoors, use common sense and dress warmly, making sure that all exposed skin is covered. If possible, avoid prolonged exposure to the cold to prevent frostbite and hypothermia. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further details or updates.
What the heck? Well, this is weird. Okay, well... Is there something wrong with this? Okay. The transmitter went down. Perfect. Alright, well...
Little or no additional snow accumulation. Highs around 15.
That's just perfect.